So let's continue page number 22. We were doing example 1.6. So basically हमने इसमें क्या करना है, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड नंबर ऑफ एटम्स को फाइंड आउट करना है किस में, वाटर में, और हमें वाटर का मास जो गिवन है दैट इज 6 grams. So let's start the solution. The known mass of water is 6 grams and molar mass of water is 18 grams. अभी हमने कैसे फाइंड आउट किया है, as the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, so 2 ones are 2, and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 16 plus 2 is equals to 18 and the unit of molar mass is grams. Now number of moles of water is equals to, as you know, the formula mass of a substance divided by molar mass of the substance. कि हम क्या करेंगे, 6 को 18 से डिवाइड करेंगे और जो आंसर हमारे पास आएगा दैट इज़ नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. 0.33 moles are present in 6 grams of water. नाउ अब सेकेंड हमने क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. द फार्मूला इज सिंपली वी विल राइट द फार्मूला एंड देन वी विल पुट द वैल्यूज़. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय एवोगाड्रोस नंबर. सो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हमने जो फाइंड आउट किए हैं दैट इज़ 0.33, राइट. सो हम इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, एवोगाड्रोस नंबर जिसकी एक कांस्टेंट वैल्यू है, सेम वैल्यू रहती है हमेशा, 6.02 × 10⁻23. So when we will multiply, the answer will be 1.98 × 10⁻23 molecules are present in 6 grams of water. So the third part we have to find out the number of atoms. The number of molecules contained in 6 grams of water are 1.98 × 10⁻23. As we know, one molecule of water consists of 3 atoms, which means 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms. So number of molecules किसके बराबर होगा, that is equal to 3 multiplied by 1.98 × 10⁻23, which is equal to 5.94 × 10⁻23. So this is the amount of number of molecules which are present in 6 grams of water. Now let's consider another example 1.7. There are 3.01 × 10⁻23 molecules of carbon dioxide present in a container. In a container में इतने molecules present है carbon dioxide के. Now what we have to do, calculate the number of 2 moles and its mass. So we can calculate the number of molecules of carbon dioxide by putting the values in equation. As we know, the equation is number of moles is equals to known mass divided by Avogadro's number. So जो हमें molecules का mass given है वो क्या है, 3.01 × 10⁻23. So we will divide it with the Avogadro's number. So जो हमारे पास number of moles आएंगे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की, that would be equal to 0.5 moles. Then by putting this value in the equation we get mass of substance. अब क्योंकि हमने number of moles 2 moles फाइंड करने हैं और उसका mass फाइंड करना है, तो moles तो हमारे पास आ गए. Now what about mass? Mass of a substance is equals to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. So जो number of moles हमने फाइंड आउट कैलकुलेट किए हैं वो क्या है, 0.5, एंड जो molar mass है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का दैट इज़ इक्वल टू 44. सो जब इनको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे द आंसर वुड बी, यानी कि जो मास होगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का, इट इज़ इक्वल टू 22 grams. Now we will do remaining question answers, short question answers, which are given on page number 25. State the reason soft drink is a mixture and water is a compound. So we have already discussed, read this topic. This is just for your better understanding. You have to learn these answers. So soft drink is formed by simple mixing of components water, sugar, and carbon dioxide, while water is formed by the chemical combination of hydrogen and oxygen. So components of soft drink do not have any fixed ratio, while hydrogen and oxygen have fixed ratio, that is 1:8 by mass in water. And components of soft drink can be separated by physical means, while components of water cannot be separated by physical means. So that's why soft drink, यानी जो जितनी भी soft drinks हम पीते हैं वो mixture है, और जो water है that is an example of compound. Now classify the following into element, compound or mixture. So helium and hydrogen, these are both elements. Carbon oxide is a compound, and CO, which is cobalt, it is an element. Water is a compound and milk is a mixture. Gold is an element and brass is a mixture. We read that brass is a mixture of two different metals, that is cobalt and zinc. So next, gold is an element and brass is a mixture. Iron is an element and steel is a mixture. So question number 12. Define atomic mass unit. Why is it needed? One atomic mass unit, or AMU, is 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon-12. When this atomic mass unit is expressed in grams, it is 1 AMU is equals to 1.66 × 10⁻⁻24 grams. So as we know that the mass of an atom is too small to be